Okay, so we're going to start looking at search and filter. Um, this looking at this is like obviously the design, and here you can see that we're going to search by region. And looking at the API, even though we saying filter by region, it's actually a search. So when you do the filtering, you actually perform a search. So looking at the API here, you can see that we're actually going to search by region. We're just going to copy these and create an array of those, and then we can select from any of these regions and perform a search. When it comes to the name search, so when you search country by name, it can be the native name or the partial name. We're not going to use the full name endpoint. We're just going to use the first one. So yeah, that's essentially it. I think we can create two components, one for search and one for filter. You don't have to do that. You can do both in just one component, but I prefer to separate them. So I'm going to create two components, one for search and the other for filtering. Right, so we are now in VS Code and looking at the country list component.html. What I'm going to do is, if we look at the design, of course we have we have the search and the filter. We have them above the cards, so that's exactly where we're going to put them. So here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a div and essentially just put placeholders there, and then we could, once we create the components, we can replace the placeholders with the components. So we're going to create a div, and we can actually use Bootstrap classes. So the first one is going to be the search component here. Search component is going to go in here, and then this will be the filter component. And what we could do is, to show this, we can actually use the Bootstrap classes to display the two components. So we could use dflex, which is essentially a class for displaying flex. And what do we want to do? So display flex on small screens. What do we want to do? We want to show them. We want to show them in a column. So we can say flex column. On large screens, we want to show them in a row. So flex SM row. And we just want to justify contents between. And that should do. That looks pretty good. So we're going to have the search component here and the filter component there. And on small screens, let's have a quick look at that. On mobiles, that's it. That's exactly what we're looking for. So that's a good start. We need to put some margin between the components and the cards. So here, shall we go for? We could put margin bottom, and we could say, let's go for the maximum. Let's go for 5 and see what it looks like. Doesn't look too bad, but we can always adjust it. I think we'll leave it for now, and once we put the components in, then we can adjust the margin. So here we put in 5, which is essentially 3 rem. Let's have a quick look at that. I think it's 3 rem. Oh, can't find it now. Up there, we're looking for, that's 3 rem. So that's the margin that we've set for now, but we can always change it. So yeah, I think that's essentially what we need to do to get started.